proper implementation of informed consent is an opportunity to develop rapport with your patient, resulting in enhanced dental health. The informed consent conversation also ensures that you have satisfied the ethical principle of patient autonomy in that the conversation involves the patient in treatment decisions. Here's an example of a prompt. In conclusion, informed consent is paramount in dental practice, establishing trust and communication while ensuring patients understand treatment options, risks, and outcomes to make informed decisions and reduce legal risks. KRISS AI revolutionizes this process by offering accessible, real-time explanations of procedures, personalized to each patient's needs, enhancing care quality, and strengthening the dentist-patient relationship. Integrating KRISS AI not only streamlines consent, but also demonstrates a commitment to patient education, potentially increasing satisfaction, case acceptance, and staff efficiency, ultimately elevating the standard of care and patient comfort. Visit www.kriss.ai to install KRISS AI in your practice.